Hey guys, so in this video what I want to show you is how to do the knee hold bridge on the floor. It's a great drill to really isolate each glute individually as well as to help get that true hip extension, which is going to really be powerful when you're looking to squat, when you're looking to do a hip hinge, deadlift, running, lunges in your boot camp, anything like that. Especially if you're having back pain, knee pain, this is one of the most crucial movements that we start people doing so they can elicit that better hip extension as well as learning how to engage and feel that tension through that glute. So what we're going to do for this is just lay on your back. And what we want is we want to keep one knee tight to our chest. So I'm going to keep my right knee, we're going to work on my left leg. So it's going to be as tight as I can, and the reason we do this is it helps keeps that spine locked in position. Sometimes what I also do is I also try to kind of bias it towards my opposite shoulder. It's going to help you keep more of a level pelvis. It's going to make it harder on this glute, which is what we want. So if you're having a hard time, you feel like you're kind of rocking, bring that knee towards that opposite shoulder. So from here, the leg that's down, the leg that we're working, my knee is going to be slightly in, which goes to the contrary to what most people do with this knee out. But the reason for that is as I go up, if that knee goes out, I'm going to elicit more of that lateral quad hip flexor, which is not what we want. We want to feel this glute muscle right on that side of that hip. Those are the muscles we want to work. Sometimes you can feel a little bit of some high hamstring. We don't want to feel the whole hamstring, really just up here. So I'm locking this knee into place. That locks my spine. And from here, I'm just going to push down and just go as high as I can. Now, if I go any higher, then you see that I have to extend this leg to do it. And when that happens, I'm just arching through my back, so there's no point in going any higher. So just keep it locked in. You know, the big thing is you want to try to push, but don't over push where you feel like you're starting to arch your back, if you feel any activation in your quad. Now the other big thing is you want to keep that big toe down through this entire movement. It's going to really help keep a good grounded position to help elicit keeping that hip in good position. So from here, I'm keeping the knee down, big toes down, big toe butt. I'm just going up as high as I can, keeping that knee slightly inside of my foot. I go up for a second, come back down. And I'm just working through that range of motion, trying to go up a little bit higher each time if I can. I can rest my head, I can raise my head, I don't really care with that. So from there, that's how you're going to do the knee hold bridge. For our clients, we really try to get them to do somewhere in the range of 8 to 10 reps if they can. For people at home that we're not seeing, you want to try to strive to get somewhere in that 25 to 30 range of total good reps. Take a break as you need to do. So that's how you do it. And if you have any questions, let us know.